Laboratory tests guarantee the resistance of M.843 handles in the most severe conditions of use. The sample is assembled on a test bench. A 1500 gram steel impact weight running inside a rail is dropped from a given height, impacting with the handle. The impact point is in the middle of the handle, thus reproducing the most severe conditions. The impact weight is dropped from 1 meter height. The handle is able to absorb the impact energy because of the elastic deformation of the material. Nevertheless, the impact does not generate any permanent deflection of the handle, which is therefore suitable for undergoing further impacts. The drop height increases impact by impact, and the sample is checked after every impact. The handle is able to absorb an impact energy up to 120 Joule, which is far above the value of normal working conditions.